You cannot even see it.
We.
Hiya, Stephen. Did you poo? Is that poo? You pooed on your bridge. Sorry. Come on, that's so gross. I don't know why I touched it. There she did. Come on. Sorry, Steve. Oh no, no. What do I even do? Shit. This was supposed to be a relaxing time. I'm so sorry, Stephen. This is really not how I thought this video was gonna go. But here we are. Sorry about that, Stephen. I really wish I had something more proper for like the 1,000,000 subscribers special, which this isn't. I will do something. I don't know what. Maybe like a music video. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but it just felt silly to hit 1,000,000 subscribers and not mention anything yet. We hit it a couple of days ago, and I want to thank you guys for everything you've done. I've already thanked you before for, I don't know. I'm honestly without words. Like I don't really know how to handle situations like this. Nothing this good has ever happened to me. I feel like this will all feel a lot more real when I actually get like the physical play button, which I can apply for soon. I get like when you hit like a milestone, like 100k or 1,000,000, you get an email like within the first like couple of weeks after that, and then you can claim your play button, and then that gets sent to you. So it'll probably be a couple of weeks before I get the play button, and I feel like when that happens, it'll feel like a lot more real. Right now, it just says like numbers on a screen, like 1,000,000 subs. Something I've always wanted to see, and to be able to like actually see it on my screen. It's just so cool. It's so cool what we've done here, this channel, the community. I've never called it a community, but like the positivity that we have in these videos, all the comments, all the messages, just all the love for Stephen. Like it's so cool for me to even just be part of, and I'm so lucky that I get to make these videos and have you guys watch them. Like honestly, it's all such a dream for me. So I just wanted to say thank you. Again, I don't know how many times I said thank you in these past couple of weeks, this past month, but thank you. Again, I will have like a more proper 1,000,000 special when we get the play button, but for now, I'll just go back to making the TikToks. I'll see you guys soon for another update video, and probably tomorrow for another TikTok short, small video.